Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a 2012 Buick Lacrosse full guide. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and letting the system cool. Inspect hoses, fittings, and the compressor for obvious leaks or damage. Gather a manifold gauge set, a compatible refrigerant, and a vacuum pump if needed. Keep safety gear on and follow step-by-step instructions to avoid overcharging or injury. Begin by testing system pressures with the engine running and AC set to max cool, observing both low and high side readings. If pressures are very low or zero, suspect a leak and repair it before charging. Use UV dye or an electronic leak detector to locate slow leaks around hoses, fittings, and the condenser. Do not charge a system that has a confirmed leak without repairing it first. Quick recommendation and a small ad break. If you like reading repair guides, the Kindle Paperwhite is great for storing manuals and schematics with adjustable lighting. If this video helps, please subscribe and hit like to support more practical car tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you want. Thanks for listening. Now let's get back to the video. With gauges connected and the engine running at idle, open the low side valve and add refrigerant slowly while monitoring pressures and vent temperatures. Add refrigerant in short bursts, allowing the system to stabilize between additions to avoid overcharging. Aim for manufacturer-recommended pressures and confirm evaporator outlet stays cold. If equipped, test the cabin temperature and compressor cycling to ensure the system operates efficiently and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.